Today is July 28, 2023. I was looking for a project to create, like I've done in the past, put some money in it, follow it on a daily basis. I didn't want to do any more Ponzi type schemes. I didn't want to do anything that was ridiculous percentage rates, anything that involved sunk cost where I put my money in and I can't get it back, or they were going to hold it for 6 months, any of that kind of stuff. But I wanted something a little bit edgy. And what I decided or came across and decided to do was Internet Computer. And interesting story. I'm not going to go through the story. There's plenty here to read. Where FTX, yes, that FTX, that Sam Bankman-Fried character, that guy, American scammer and con man, yeah, that one there, where they, I shouldn't say they, I'll just say he, they tried to take Internet Computer down. And it's an interesting story. As a matter of fact, I'll link this article and more below so that you can read it if you want to. So, why did they do it that? They were just trying to take it down so that they could support Solana. So what that ended up doing is they pumped it up and it collapsed and ended up looking like a scam. Here it is. It looks like a typical Ponzi. Went way up and collapsed. So if you look for articles on Internet Computer, there's plenty here. What the FTX just happened. It's an interesting article. An older one, how FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried scam affected the Internet Computer Company. Interesting. So now where do we stand? And what's so interesting to me is if you just use Internet Computer on a search on YouTube, you have a lot going on 4 days ago, 3 days ago, where they're saying it's insane, it's going to dominate. BitBoy's all over it, if you know who BitBoy is. He's all over it. How many ICP to become a millionaire? Well, I don't know about that. Time is coming. Lots of shorts. Vitalik calls Internet Computer Company its sister network, which is interesting. You can even see Mark Cuban will drop the name. If you go up to there and just even put in scam, because that's what it came across as looking like, there's just a lot of other stuff. It's a security, the new internet. There's BitBoy again and BitBoy again. So there's lots of good information here. And that's what I decided I'm going to run with this. So here we are. We're at 433. Now let me jump over to the graph I've already started. So here we are with my Excel spreadsheet. We started out on Tuesday, the 25th of July. Bought 505 shares. That's an interesting story where I decided to come up with that. I didn't. It was an accident. I got to be honest. And the price was 405. Here I am doing it daily. We're up to today, 433 a share. We are up 6.91%, earned $141 so far. Now, what I'm trying to figure out is what I want to do. Do I want to come up with a stop loss here? Jumping back to CoinGecko, you can see that there is the all-time high was 700, crazy. Thank you, Sam Bankman-Fried. All-time low was $3.40, which is December 19th. So I'm looking at, that might be my stop loss, $3.40. I don't really want to go below all-time lows, but we'll see where it goes. This is what it looks like for 24 hours. Last 30 days, looks like this, crazy. And I was even thinking of sell, buy, sell, buy. If there's some type of rhythm to this, we'll see what it looks like. Going back to the graph. So I listed the all-time low as $3.40, and that's like 16% below where I bought it. That's not a bad stop loss. I didn't put anything in there. All-time high is 700. So this is what, and I'll start the graph. This is where we're at. So I'm going to do this on a daily basis, very unscientific. I'll try to do it in the morning so that we can have some type of consistency with it. And that's where we're at. So that's the latest project. We're going to follow ICP. We have a little skin invested there, and we'll see where it takes us. Maybe I didn't really, I don't remember what BitBoy said to take this to $1 million. How many shares do I have to own for that? I don't know. But we'll see where it goes. Hope you enjoyed this project. And remember, this is not investment advice. I'm not an investment advisor. This is just done for entertainment purposes only.